Everyone, it's Eugene here, and I'm happy to announce that registration is now open to the Forensic Photography Symposium on January 16th to 19th, 2023. Now, we ran this last year. It was a great success. And this is where we bring together forensic photography professionals from around the world. And we talk about things like technology, hardware, software, applications, all kinds of different things. There really are a wide range of topics. So if you're interested in registering, just click on the link below and you'll get to the registration page. If you are a student, make sure you click on the right button. You're going to be asked for some information that you need to upload. And then once we receive that, we'll make sure that we take care of you with the discount. And also last year, there were some agencies or institutions that had 10 or more people. And if that's the case, feel free to just email us at fps@ai2-3d.com and we'll make sure that we can offer you some kind of a small discount as well. So January 16th to 19th, 2023, click on the link below and I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.